Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is perfect for parties or if you're watching the big game. It's cauliflower wings. They're super easy to make and they taste absolutely delicious. Now for this recipe I'm using chickpea flour, but of course you can use plain flour. And I'm also using 2 of my favourite hot sauces. Into a bowl we're going to add in the flour. To that we're then going to add in the garlic powder, the onion powder, the paprika, a dash of salt, and pepper. Then finally we're going to add in the milk. Now I like to add in about 3/4 of a cup and add more if I need it. Give all the ingredients a good whisk together until there are no lumps. Next, we're going to take the cauliflower and simply cut it up into small pieces. Once they're all cut up into small pieces, make sure you give them a good rinse and then drain. To a large tray we're going to add on some baking paper and then give it a good spray with some cooking oil to make sure nothing sticks. To our batter we're going to add a few pieces of cauliflower at a time, cover with the batter until well coated, and give it a good shake to shake off any excess. Then pop them onto the tray with a small space between and repeat. Then we're going to pop them into the oven for about 20 minutes, turning after 10. After 20 minutes in the oven, we're going to take them out and then dip them in our hot sauce. Again, making sure that they're well coated and shaking off any excess. Then back into the oven for a final 15 minutes, turning halfway through. Now for the dipping sauce, I like to keep it fairly simple, adding some tahini to some yogurt, giving it a good mix together. Serve them up on a nice big platter and then they're ready to enjoy. Oh yeah, these are so good and I can guarantee they won't last long. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you all next week. Bye!